everybody, and welcome back to another cash stuffing Sunday. I hope yous are all well. How did you get on over Christmas? I hope yous had a great one. Mine was amazing. I had a lovely Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year, so I love Christmas anyhow. No matter what happens, I still love it. So folks, if yous are new here, hi, how are you, and welcome. My name is Martella Carrig, and on my channel we garden, we do makeup, we budget, among lots of other things, and we try and live our best life. So grab yourselves a cup of tea or a cup of juice or whatever. I'm on the orange. And just, yeah, let's cash stuff some money. So this one is either going to be the last one of 2023 going into the first one of 2024. That's how I'm kind of budgeting this, because of the way the weeks are kind of falling. We're kind of half in, half out. So the budget is still the same. It's still 250 smackarenos. Let's get on to it now. As you can see, darlings, I did a new penny saving challenge for 2024. I wrote it all out nice. I only went up to £1.98 because I might actually like finish it. Like, do you know the way I had the other one and I didn't actually finish any of it? Like, it was all over the place. It was a mess. So with this one, we're going to try and keep it to this. Here's hoping. So we'll see how we get on. We might not even touch that today, because what I might do is actually count and see what's in here. I do have some little money bags, so if we get the time, we're going to do this one. If not, this will be the first video of 2024, because honestly guys, I'm absolutely broke. Stone broke. It's ridiculous. But sure, look, it's Christmas and you do stupid things, and that's just the way it is. Right, so let's go. 250 smackarenos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 220, 240. And 2 fivers is £2, 250 smackarenos. So as always, I'm getting out the first binder, which is my pink one. This is my basics, everyday bills kind of binder. And as always, council tax is the first one up. Now, as you know, well, most places in this country, you don't pay council tax for January and February, but I still pay into it, because by the time the bill comes around, I have a huge chunk of it knocked off. And then when they work out my monthly like expenditure, what I have to pay monthly, then after that, it winds up being so much less. So it actually works in your favour to do this. So, because you know the bills are going to go up in April anyhow, so regardless, at least you've got a chunk taken out of it. So I am putting 20 smackarenos in here. So this is a different pound coin. This is from the Danske Bank. It's still pounds. Once it says pounds on it, pounds are pounds. So don't be coming for me in the comments. So the next one I'm going to take out here now is a £35 challenge, which is in this one. So I don't know whether to take the £35 out now. Do you know what? I might not. I'll leave it for a bit. No, feck it I will, because I need the coinage. I have this is the challenge one, yeah, because I need some tenors and fivers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to take 3 20s. So 2, 4, 6 is going back in here, and I need to get £35 then to also put in here for the challenge. So we might leave that then until we're actually doing the challenge pot, and I'll just leave that money there. So that's that done. What are we doing now? 50 is going into food. Where is my food one actually? I always have a habit of losing one of them. I think it's at the front. No, council tax, childcare, sports, dairy. Okay, food is probably in a handbag of mine somewhere. So let's just put 50 quid in for food. I'll just get a new one. I mean, God knows I have enough of them, so. And then until I find it, this is going to be the food one. I just can't be arsed looking for it right now, but it still all goes the same direction. It'll be fine. Funny feeling that might be actually in my handbag. But anyway. Right, so that's the food and the council tax done, and the next one is the childcare, which again is another 50. I'm actually on top of my childcare bill at the minute, so I'm very happy about that. I mean, it all helps. And sports is getting 25. I'm trying to stay about a week ahead of this one at the minute, even though it's not due yet. I just like to be ahead. Then Very is not getting anything, because I'm actually okay with Very. Water is not getting anything of this one either. Oh dear. Argos is getting 20. Okay. Need to start bringing down that Argos one. it's due in March, so we still have time, so we're still okay for it. Okay, so then I should have £30 then to put into my sinking funds, which I do. So that's fine. So now we're going to do the sinking funds. So we're going to put that 35 into the challenge because I need to get £1,000 fairly sharpish. I had to pay for the car to get serviced. So that's 35, so that's taking me here. So that's that one done. And then we are putting £10 is going into insurance. Nothing is going into birthdays. So here we are with the insurance. £10 is going back into Christmas because, you know, that's coming around again. And £10 is going into emergency funds. And that is us covered for another year. Well, I say for another year, for another week. Because I did pull out of the emergency funds. I pulled out of everything. I think the only thing I didn't pull out was medical fund because we had £5 in it. But literally everything else wound up getting pulled out of. So yeah, that's that one. Now we're going to do the penny saving challenge, but we're going to be undoing it because, well, we're going to see what's actually in here. I have a million pens because I always wind up collecting them in here. Oh no, there is some money in here actually. Oh dear, so we've got 250, 260, 70, 280, 290. Oh no, I wonder was there a 290 in the old one? Hold on, I think I still have it in here somewhere. 290. Oh my god, there was. Sure, look it, we'll do it. We'll do it. 290. Sure, look at one for the road, as the fella says. That'll be it. But you can see this one got like well and truly used, like, you know, seen better days, as the fella says. Right. Oh god, I have to count all this money. Bloody hell. Thought of that. Yeah. Right, let's go. Oh, moles. Holy moly. Right. Those tops of things. So let's see what denomination do these come in. So £20 is in £2 coins and £20 is in £1 coins. So let's try for the ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, yay, 20, we've got one bag done. Okay, well, we're going to try for the second one, because I don't think I'll have 20 again, but you never know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my goodness, one down. One down, one down. No. I might do a 50s. Yeah. Grand. I know the bank won't take them, but I can always just like change them where I work. It'll be fine. So that is 40. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, oh, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, that's £17 there. We'll see if we can make 3 to get another 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 3 here. So that's another 20. Not too bad. So that's 60 quid. That's bloody brilliant. Because if anything, that'll help with next week's cash stuff, and because I am absolutely broke this month. Christmas wiped me out, so... But that's what it's supposed to do. You're supposed to be able to have fun with your family. Now, alright, let's see what else we can get. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, where did that go? 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 10, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's £4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95 a pound. That is a fiver. So that's a fiver. I'll just write on that so when I go to change this. Oh no, and this one's got a 20. I often find when you have change like this, either spend them all in one shop or bring them into somewhere that you know uses change, and they'll be able to change it into like a note for you. Because a bank won't change it if it's not all the same coinage. And like with this kind of a thing, you're never going to have all the same. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, a pound. Okay, so this is all going to be, as I call it, shit change. That's a pound. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. So that is 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 66, 70. Not bad for a second half of a year's cash stuffing. Right, so folks, that's it all done. We're going to pocket this up and we're going to just restart now everything in the new year. I hope you enjoyed these videos, guys, and don't forget, as always, to give everything a like and a subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And guys, happy new year to each and every one of you, and thanks so much for all the support you've given me this year. I have greatly appreciated it, and greatly appreciated all the comments and stuff you leave me down below. It'd just be absolutely lovely to hear from you. So guys, without further ado, happy new year, have a great one, and I shall see you in 2024, where we're going to smash these targets, these cash stuffings. We're going to do it. We're absolutely going to blow it out of the water, and we're going to be financially free, even if it is only 1 penny at a time. We'll get there. Talk to you soon, folks. Lots of love. Bye. Mwah!